Boom! Welcome back, everyone. It's Tuesday for you because this is going to go out on Tuesday, and it's Saturday for me. So it's my free day. So why not record some stuff? So as the title says, I paid $500 for a sticker for the car. Call me crazy if you want to, but we'll jump into that in a minute. There's a couple things that I need to tackle with the car before jumping into this shenaniganness. So my car's filthy, and for some reason I have this like deep down desire that bothers the shit out of me when my car is that dirty. So I'm gonna wash it. I just got some basic wash. It's like 45 degrees out. I'm a little chilly. I'm in a t-shirt though, so we're gonna knock it out and get it. Wow, this camera is heavy. Holy fuck. So we're gonna get it knocked out, get it cleaned off. It's just it bothers me, and I'm not okay with that. And then after the car's cleaned, I need to fix one of my running lights. So I have the OEM JDM fog bezels with the little reflector lights. Why is my hair all like this? So, and one of the reflector bezels down there, or reflector light guys, the LED bloom, those ones, one of them it's like super dim. So I'll end up pulling the bumper off, take a look at that light, see what's going on with it. If we need to rewire it or go to a different power source, we will. If I can't get it working again, we're just gonna order the APR ones because I like those ones also. So we're gonna jump into it. I'm gonna start cleaning this guy, and we'll get going. So we're just handheld right now, but I don't know if you can actually see how dirty the car. It's filthy. Like, oh, you can see it there. It's nasty, dude. This wing, the wing like scoops up all the dirt from the road, just throws it up there, and that's dripping right there. That's not cool. Wheels, white wheels in any type of weather, awful. Look at that. You get all these black streakings going on, everything, and they're ceramic coated. So I thought that would help, but it doesn't. So get these guys cleaned as well, but the splitter, everything just gathers so much dirt. It's just not all right. So I got my buckets ready over here. I'm just gonna do a quick wash on the car. Pro tip, if you're washing your car in the wintertime and it's cold as fuck out, use hot water from inside like I did. So I just pulled all this hot water from my bathroom, and it's not as bad to wash your car. Oh, I got dripped on. It's not as bad to wash your car with hot water, so I'm gonna get this guy knocked out. Man, dude, let's clean up nice. Super nice. Look at that. So, just to give a comparison, look at that wheel, dude. So nice and white. Look at this side. Straight. Ugh. Garbage. So, I'm not going to record any more of me cleaning the car, which I barely started, but if you guys really want to watch me wash the Subaru, like my second vlog I did, go check it out. I'm gonna get this knocked out. We're gonna keep pushing through. So I got the outside of the car pretty much clean. Now what I need to do is do a little bit of maintenance on the bags real quick. So I need to drain the tank to get any of the water out. I do have a water trap way over there in the corner, but this is always slightly terrifying. So I'll move the camera inside the car and I'll show you how to drain, well, my tank setup. Slightly terrifying. This is never enjoyable. But I always do it when I wash the car. So back seat down, grab this guy. I have a Schrader valve on the end of my tank to drain it. A little cap, take cap guy off. Cap guy, that's gonna shoot somewhere, so I'm gonna set that guy back there. All right, I always have this small little microfiber to try to catch this, but inside of that Schrader valve is a valve stem. So I'm gonna take that guy out and just let this guy chooch everywhere. Hopefully this thing doesn't launch and hit the camera. Oh god. Oh boy, it's coming out. I always lose this thing. I didn't lose it though. Oh, there we go. Come on. It shot water everywhere. There we go. Come on out. Get out of there. A little bit of bag maintenance for you. If you're looking into getting bags, I do this once every 2-3 weeks, drain the tank, get any excess water out. And you'll think it's done, but it's not. Is it? Oh, it was, look at that. Look at all that icy goodness that we got in there. Ice everywhere. Whew. That's pretty much it for draining this. I'm gonna get the Schrader valve, or this, oh, that's cold. This valve stem put back in here, and well, that's it for tank maintenance for right now. It goes up, locked in place, wipe off this water. Decided to pee everywhere. I still need to clean the inside of the car, so I'm not overly worried about it yet. Bam, all clean, inside and out. No complaints here. Pretty happy. Who doesn't love a clean car? Look at that, dude, like a brand new almost. One thing I found an issue with my seats was that the leather's starting to crack. It's only 2 years old. Leather's starting to crack. I mean, I used leather conditioner on it, but for some reason, not working. So, I think I'm gonna order some seats for this. This is one of my favorite air fresheners. It's chemical, guys, and it's called the Scent of Success. This is Stripper. This is Stripper in a bottle right here. Like, if Stripper had a scent, that's it. Like $6, and I saw it on Rally Sport one day. I was like, oh, why not? I'm gonna try this stuff. Now my car smells like a Stripper. Stripper scented car wash. Car wash? Stripper scented air freshener. It all just smells like a Stripper. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Chemical Guy's everything, though. Question of the day. Why is this so dim? Question of the day. Why are we so dim? Hey, it works again. Sick. That's an easy fix. For the reason you probably clicked on the video. $500 sticker, right? Absurd. And I have to have the sticker to drive. Registration, like, come on, man. That's some bullshit. Look at this sticker. Like, oh my god, don't rip, don't rip, don't rip, don't rip, don't rip, don't rip. $500 for a sticker that says 2020. That's some bullshit right there. Straight up bullshit. Like, some people call them tags, tabs, wherever you are in the world. What do you pay? Like $76, $100 for tabs to renew them for every year for registration? Dude, Washington is fucking bullshit. Bullshit. $500? $500 fucking dollars? Actually, the subtotal. Let's see, what was the subtotal? So the actual subtotal for my tabs, $460.25. Some bullshit. Straight up bullshit. So, I guess we'll throw the sticker on. Yay. You know what I find a little hilarious with this though? $500 for a sticker, and they put instructions on the back of it of how to do it. Clean, place thoroughly before it's dry. Put the tab on the respective plates. And do not apply in freezing weather. And why do they do that? How the fuck am I supposed to get this unstuck? Aha. Boom. Boom. Are you guys ready for the moment of truth? $500 sticker. Oh, yes. Oh! Wow, that was not satisfying at all to do. That's fucking dumb. That's dumb. Dumb. Come on, that's like me ranting. I apologize, everyone. I apologize for the rant that goes with registration. One reason why I don't want to live in Washington anymore. So, if anyone has any suggestions, I'm open to them. Kind of miss living in Louisiana. Tabs down there were cheap, and I didn't have to run a front plate. This is the first time I've had to buy tabs for the car, because these are all my old license plates from all my other old cars. There's like 350Z, 07 STI, 08 STI, 07 STI, 16 WX, 16 WX, 13 BRZ, no, 16 BRZ, 13 FRS, 14 FRS, Skyline. I don't remember what those ones are for. They went to something. They went to some cars that I had. I guess I can't complain too much about spending $500 on tabs once. Well, no, I can, because I paid for tabs on all the other cars that I bought, just differently. I know this video is a little all over the place, but I'm feeling a little all over the place today, so my feelings are transmitting through my videos. My dog's barking. I think he's hiding in the backyard. Nope, he's right there. He's hiding. So, there wasn't a whole lot of helpful, useful information in this one, but it was entertaining. Maybe. I don't know. I don't like tabs. Stupid. I could have used that $500 for other things, but you know what? But if you enjoyed the video, smash it. Smash the like button. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel. This video wasn't a real entertaining one to subscribe to, but subscribe or don't. I appreciate it if you do though. And as always, I appreciate the time you spend here with me, and I'll catch you in the next one.